Good morning children. Welcome to our maths class. In the last class we have completed up to 6th one here and we have completed 8th one also. Now we are going to do this 7th problem. The distances between three villages A, B and C are given below. From A to B 13.78 kilometers, from B to C 28.31 kilometers and from A to C 35.91 kilometers. So, a person goes from village A to B and then from B to C and then from C to A. What is the total distance travelled by him? So, first we have to write the distance from A to B, next B to C and then C to A. And then we have to add the total distance. Okay? So, first distance from A to B. Distance from A to B is 13.78 kilometers. So this is decimal point, ones, tens, hundreds. Next, distance from B to C, 28.31. Next, distance from C to A, 35.91. Okay, distance from A to B 13.78, distance from B to C 28.31, distance from C to A 35.91. This is A1 children. Okay, now total distance traveled by him is equal to total distance traveled by him. Okay, so do the addition. Symbol is plus. Total means do the addition. So always start from the right to left. So first add these hundreds place digits. 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 1 10. In 10 write 0 here and 1 carry right in tenths place. Hundreds place digits we have added and we got a carry, then write it in tenths place. 1 plus 3 8, 8 plus 3 8 after 9 10 11, 11 plus 9. Take 9 fingers, 11 after 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. So this is 2020. Write 0 here, put the decimal point and write carry in ones place. Now 2 plus 3. Take 3 fingers, 2 after 3 4 5. 5 in the mind, take 5 fingers, 8 fingers. 5 after 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So here we got a 5 plus 8 13. 13 in the mind, take 5 fingers, 13 after 14 15 16 17 18. So this is 18. Write 8 here, carry 1, write in tens place. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2, 2 after 3 4, 4 plus 3 5 6 7, 78.00. That means 78 kilometers. Okay, 0.00 means nothing will be. So therefore total distance traveled by him is equal to 78 kilometers. How much distance traveled by him? 78 kilometers. Okay. Now the next one. If he goes from village A to C without going to B, will he travel less or more than what he would travel if he goes from A to C through B? That means, see here, A, B, C. First he travelled from A to B, then B to C, then C to A, right? Okay. So, A to B, B to C, C to A. If he goes from A to C without going to B, will he travel less or more than what he will travel if he goes from A to C through B? That means the distance from here to A to B to B to C. A to B, B to C. First add these two and compare this C to A distance. Then you have to find out less or more you will get. Okay. So firstly, if he goes from A to C without through B, okay, A to C directly, not through the B, then what is the distance between C to A? What is the distance we have? C to A 35.91 kilometers. If he goes from A to C through B, A to C through B means distance between A to B plus distance between B to C. That means first A to B, how much distance he travelled? 13.78 kilometers plus B to C he travelled 28.31 kilometers. Now add them these two, put the decimal point, ones, tens, hundreds, put the decimal point 3, 1, 7, 8, put the decimal point 8, 2, 3, 1. Add them. You will get 8 plus 1, 9, 7 plus 3, 10, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 8, 12. Put the decimal point, 2 here, 1 carry, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 4. So 42.09. So if he travelled from A to C through B, he has to go 42.09 kilometers. But he went directly, there is 35.91 kilometers. So now, 35.91. This is 42.09. Which is big? Compare the whole number part. This is big. So, our question is that if he goes from village A to C without going to B, will he travels more or less distance what he would travel if he goes from A to C through B? If he travel from A to C without through B, he will go less distance. Okay. If he goes through B, it will be more distance. Okay. So now, how much distance he traveled? He has to travel less. So what do you write? How to write the statements? Statement. Yes. Therefore, he will travel less distance from A to C without going to B. Without going to B. He will travel less distance. Okay? Got it? All of you listen carefully and do this explain problem in your notebook carefully. Thank you.